But inside the lifeboat answered the call. They pitched and they tossed and they thought they were lost as they crossed from the harbour wall. The night was pitch black, there was no turning back, for someone was waiting out there. And each volunteer had to live with their fear as they stood in silent prayer. And carry them home, home, home from the sea. Angel of mercy, answer our plea. And carry them home, home, home from the sea. Carry them safely. As they battled their way past the mouth of the bay, it was flowing like never before. As they gallantly fought, every one of them fought from their loved ones back on the shore. Then a flicker of light, and they knew they were right. There she was on the crest of the wave. She's an old fishing boat, and she's barely afloat. Please God, their souls would be saved, and carry them home, home, home from the sea. Angel of mercy, answer our plea, and carry them home, home, home from the sea. Carry them safely home from the sea. Back in the town, on the street that runs down to the sea and the harbor.